Black belt, firearm disarmament, counter, pistol to the head. If you encounter a situation where an opponent is pointing a pistol at your head and the distance is such that you can disarm, this technique is very effective. Primary consideration is taking the weapon offline of your body and keeping yourself free from the muzzle at all times. We're going to start out like we have in other disarmament techniques, in a submissive posture. Hands are up, making a verbal submissive statement, and then explosively dropping our body weight while capturing the wrist or forearm of the opponent, taking the weapon offline. Next, we're going to step very deep with our left foot, momentarily giving our back to the opponent and trapping his right arm. Using a C grip, we're going to strip the weapon out of the opponent's hand, making sure our hand is always cleared of the muzzle. Once we have the weapon, we're going to gain separation by thrusting hips back, then drawing the pistol if we need. Submissive posture, take the weapon offline as we drop our weight. C grip, increase distance with the opponent, and bring the pistol to bear if the situation requires. Submissive statement, drop body weight as the hands come up and trap. Deep step with the left, trapping the arm. Very important while we're taking that deep left step to maintain very tight, positive control of the opponent's arm or wrist. As we step, that'll torque the opponent's arm. Muzzle awareness, very important. C grip, hand is clear of the muzzle. Hips thrust back, releasing the opponent, turning, checking the weapon, presenting if necessary. Black belt, firearm disarmament, counter, pistol to the head.